Buenas noches, clase. Today we're going to learn about where you're going. So we're going to learn some vocab related to this and then also a new verb that's irregular to be able to help us with these things. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, first we're just going to look at some different vocab words. First I have auditorium. And auditorium is el auditorio. El auditorio. Next I have library. Library is la biblioteca. La biblioteca. Next is cafeteria. Oops, I misspelled that in English. There we go. Cafeteria. And that is the same. It's just said a little bit differently. It's cafeteria with the emphasis on that I at the end. This I down here. Cafeteria. This one. All right. Next is gym or gymnasium. Would be el gimnasio. El gimnasio. So this G at the beginning sounds like an H. El gimnasio. Oh, by the way, cafeteria is feminine, so it'd be la cafeteria. Okay. Let's see. Office. Office is la oficina. I think I already taught you lunch, but I'm going to repeat it just in case. Lunch would be el almuerzo. El almuerzo. And then last one here, appointment or date would be la cita. La cita. So let's go ahead and repeat each of those. El auditorio, la biblioteca, la cafetería, el gimnasio, la oficina, el almuerzo, la cita. All right, so I've got the verb chart drawn out here. We are actually going to be learning a verb that is ir, which is like super, super short, right? Ir, if you roll the R, means to go. The reason that we have a new chart for it is because it's irregular. It does not follow the pattern, so you have to learn these. So ir, which means to go. So if you don't know these subject pronouns by now, you need to make sure that you get those down because they're really important. Yo, which means I. Tú, which is you. Él, he. Ella, usted. Ella is she. Usted is you formal. Nosotros or nosotras is we. Ellos or ellas is they. And ustedes is you all. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this in. For this verb ir, which means to go, you would say yo voy. That means like I go. Okay? Tú vas. Él, ella, usted va. Nosotros, you probably know this one. Maybe from like Dora or something. It's nosotros vamos. Vamos. And ellos or ustedes van. If you were wondering what this is, it's vice, okay? But you don't have to know that one. All right? So, again, it's yo voy, tú vas, él, ella, usted va, nosotros vamos, ellos, ustedes van. All right? So I'm going to just go ahead and collapse this a little bit, and we're going to write some sentences just to practice this a couple times. Okay? If you want to fill in the blank. Yo blank. Let's see. La biblioteca. So I'm trying to say I go to the library, right? Well, of course that would be yo voy a la biblioteca. What about this one? El chico blank al almuerzo. Well, we know because this is, the boy is the subject. That would be like saying he. So this is going to be va. Now, if you remember, this right here is al, because a plus l equals al. All right? So because you're saying I'm going to somewhere, you have to put in that word a. Okay, but in this case, instead of saying a el almuerzo, you would say al almuerzo, because we need the combination there. All right. Let's go ahead and do a couple more sentences. All right. What about this one? La mujer y su hija blank a la cita de doctor. La mujer y su hija blank a la cita de doctor. Using this verb, what would we use? Well, we have to identify the subject. The subject is la mujer y su hija, right? The woman and her daughter. That would be like saying they or ellas. Okay? So, the subject then, or the verb then is van. Where are they going? What's la cita del doctor? Well, if la cita is an appointment and this is of doctor, so it's like a doctor's appointment. All right. Let's see. We're going to go ahead and learn a couple more vocab on the next page, just so that we can make sure that we're covering the right amount of vocab per video. So this is just some vocab for this chapter, and these are AR verbs, okay? I have, descansar, comprar. I'll go back and write the definitions afterwards. Terminar, that's an R. Terminar. Tomar. Visitar. All right. So I'm going to write the definitions now. Descansar means to rest. Comprar means to buy. Terminar means to finish. See, it kind of looks like terminate. Tomar, there's actually a lot of different things this can mean. It can mean to take, like if you're taking someone's picture or taking something from someone. But it also can mean to drink a lot. So like if someone is drinking water, they could be, tomar could be used in that context, okay? And then visitar, you could probably guess by this one, is to visit. All right? All of these are all regular AR verbs. All right? So what does regular AR verbs mean? Well, hopefully you know by me just saying that regular AR verbs are the ones that follow this pattern. O, as, a, vamos, and on. All right? So, if I have that chart and I want to say, she buys a jacket, then that would have to be translated just like a regular, or that verb would have to be conjugated just like a regular AR verb. So ella will comprar, I'm going to take off the AR and add the A, so compra, and then una chaqueta. All right? Ella compra una chaqueta. So, all of that to say, these 5 verbs up here at the top, all of these 5 are all regular AR verbs. All right, so I think that is all for today. I hope that you have a really good evening and you're doing a great job. I've been really impressed with things that you guys have been doing in class recently. I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the morning. Hasta luego.